Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to calculate overdraft charges. You only have $33 in your account and you pay $52 for groceries at Clark's with your debit card. You have overdraft protection, so the bank pays Clark's and charges you an overdraft charge of $28. Even if you notice this the next day, you will still have to pay the bank how much? So we need to figure out how much over we went. So we had $33 and subtracted from our account was $52. That went negative. That went negative 19. So they covered the $19. Plus they're going to charge us. They're going to charge us $19. Plus they're going to charge us $28 overdraft charge, and so they're going to charge us $47. Let's say we only had $20 in our account and you pay $46 for groceries and you have overdraft protection, so they pay Clark's the $46, but they're also going to add to what you need to pay them back $29 more. So let's figure out how much we went over. So we say $20 minus the $46. That says we're going to pay, we went over by 26. So we have to pay the bank the $26, plus we have to pay the bank the $29. So we have to pay the bank $55. We didn't notice, we paid them back after a month, and so we have to pay interest on that $55. And so for a year it would be 60%, but for 1 month it would be 1/12 of that. The 60% divided by 12, that would be, that's 5%. Five percent is 0.05. So if I multiply that 55 by 1.05, that will tell me, that will add the interest on as well. Calculator says that is $57.75. Okay, so I only had $26 and I spent $54. I went over by $28. So I have to pay back the bank the $28. Plus they're going to charge me $28. So I have to pay them back $56. But because I didn't realize it until 3 months of interest, so I have the 60%, divide that by 12 months. The 60% is for a whole year, so each month would be 5%. There were 3 months, so I have to pay 15%. Well, so 1.15, add the 15% on to the 1, multiply by the $56, tells me I need to pay $64.40. I need to pay that much to the bank, make sure it gets in that overdraft account. In my bank, I just transfer it from savings or somewhere. But you need to make sure it gets that account back to zero so you're not paying interest on anything that's not paid.